Let me tell you about the best window that money can buy that's better than the best window on the market for less than half the price. I call it the double-double. Spoiler alert, it's just two simple double pane windows in the same hole. I should have put the double-double in my house, but instead I overpaid and put in triple pane windows with an R value of 8.1. Each double pane window is better than an R2 R value, and when you have a dry sealed up airspace in between, each inch is approximately an R3. So I have 4 inches in between, that's R12 by itself, plus R2 plus R2 is R16-ish, give or take. There's a little bit of mixed data on what the actual R value is of airspace. Either way, it's excellent. It's either a little bit better than the best window on the market or a lot better. It's the same exact concept as putting a screen door on your house with that air gap for insulation. There's even enough room when you have thick walls to get in and clean, although it never gets dirty in between. It's the same concept we used with the double glazing on our greenhouse. This is a 5.5-inch air gap, a super insulator, for really cheap. Over approximately 8 years, this window has survived heat, cold, no frost, no mold, no extreme heat that cracks the window. There is literally no downside. Now, when you do a super insulated wall, when you have a thick wall, typically your window is put on the outside. So that's a cool space with not a lot of airflow. That's why windows on a thick-walled house will have condensation on the bottom and even grow mold, because your vapor barrier is on the warm side of the building. And this inside window acts as a vapor barrier. So there's no really cold spots either. So that solves that problem even better than really expensive windows. This works on any size window, even tiny little small ones like this north one on the side of my house, just for some natural light and ventilation. Overhead doors, if you can, double them up. Same with steel man doors. If you don't want a screen door, put 2 of them in the same hole. One of my next projects is to put another double door with some glazing to have a thermal air gap. This is also on the south side of my building. So I can open up the inside door and leave the glazing in the wintertime to heat my shop with the sun. When I find a deal on another one of these garden doors for $100 or less, I'm putting in another set in the same hole, just like the windows. Double doors. The windows on my house were over double the price. They are triple pane, double argon filled windows. If I was to do it over again, I would do the double.
Is there anything I can help you with, sir? Yes, I'm looking to replace one window.
I'll take 2, please.
What?
I guess at least until someone comes up with the triple. I gotta go.